Okay, Shark. Okay, I'm not looking. Okay, but Shark, why don't you talk while you're doing it? Tell us what it is.
This is a model for bunnies, and I made this is the funny one.
It's a bunny one? What is it, Char?
It is, that one was a queen dress. This one is going to be funny.
And what's this inspired by, Char?
What?
What show do you watch?
Project Family. I have flipper shoes on, dancing all over the place. Uh-oh, my flipper fell off. Bye!
Oh, my kiss.